Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of GCC on your Windows machine. So first go to the browser and type winlibs. Scroll down and you'll find the latest version on the top, which is 11.2.0. Download it. In case you have a 7-zip install, you can download this one. Or if you don't have 7-zip install, you can download this one. So this is downloading. Wait for the download to finish. And this is GCC 11.2.0, which is currently the latest. You can find the release date. GCC releases. So current GCC version is released on July 28 this year. So okay, so here is our download. It is completed now. So extract this. Okay, after that you can delete this archive and move this folder to your C drive. And after that, go to that folder, go to bin, copy this path, and right click on your this PC icon. Go to advanced system settings, environment variables, double click on path, click on new, paste this path, click on OK, 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 and you can close this. So now your GCC compiler is installed. You can check whether it is correctly installed or not. Go to command prompt, type GCC -v. You'll see this version GCC 11.2.0. You can also check your G++ version, which is used to compile C++ code. So it is also 11.2.0. So just in case you want to, so this is the portable version. That means anytime you can delete this. If you want to uninstall this, you just just delete this. It will be deleted, and just remove this environment variable. Remove this environment variable. Just remove this and click OK, 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 and that's it. Thank you.